one-way switching. So you need to know that one-way switch is a switch that controls a point or points from one position. Normally it has two terminals as already shown, although there's a type with an additional terminal used for looping in. Okay, so let's draw one lamp controlled at one position. One lamp. Draw a wiring diagram of one lamp controlled at one position. In this case, you are told to draw a wiring diagram of one lamp controlled by one-way switch. So for clarity, because it must come from the consumer unit, you need to draw your consumer unit here. Remember, this is our main switch, okay, and this is our neutral, and this is our live. This is our main switch. So this is a neutral block, N block, and this is our live block. So we have our fuse or circuit breaker rated 6 or 5 or 6 amps. Okay. Now we want to draw a wiring diagram of one lamp controlled at one position. So in this case, the layout is not given. So you can have your from your fuse, it goes to the switch. Remember, it's a one-way switch. That's the switch. Then from there, you take it to our lamp there. And remember, the symbol for our lamp, we can use this one or the other one. So that is our lamp 1. What do we do now? We are lacking neutral. So we will tap our neutral from here. Okay. Tap our neutral here. From here we'll have our neutral to come. There's no layout because there, that one. Okay. Now this is our switch 1. So this switch controls this switch, this lamp. So this one is known as switch feed, and the one going out is known as switch 1, and this one is our neutral. So that one is one lamp controlled at one position. Okay. Another one, two lamps controlled at one position. Two lamps controlled. Draw a wiring diagram of two lamps controlled at one position. Okay. So for sake of clarity and explanation, we are now going to avoid the consumer unit, but we'll use our breaker rated 5 amps or 6 amps. So in this case, we are going to have our live, and from our fuse maybe 5 or 6 amps. From here it will go to our switch, and again it goes to our lamp. We have this one and this one. This is lamp 1. Now we're introducing our neutral block. Remember, neutral is not controlled. Neutral just goes direct to the lamp, so not controlled. So we're talking about here 2 lamps. So we can do it in 2 ways. By introducing our second lamp here. This is lamp 2. Then we can loop this one here. We can loop it here. And again, we loop our neutral. So this is our switch 1. So this switch controls this lamp and this lamp. Again, it can be drawn a different way. Okay. So the same wiring can also appear this way. Here, where we have our live, our fuse. Then we have our switch there. This is our switch. Then we'll take that to our first lamp here. We introduce our neutral. That's the neutral block. Come there. That lamp. Now for our second lamp, we can loop from the terminal. This is S1. Remember, this is common and this is L1. So common L1. We loop from here to go to our second lamp. So lamp 1, lamp 2. Introducing neutral. You can either loop neutral from here or we go down, but we don't have a layout. So the fact that we don't have a layout, we can just go like that, draw that one and loop it to that neutral. Okay. So it had also drawn in that way. 2 lamps controlled at one position. Okay, thank you.